What is your strategy for the market at present? If we see around 24,696 is the level on Gift Nifty, 16 odd points down is what we see, but the markets did see good approach and good positivity in the yesterday's session.
Absolutely. Good morning to everyone here. Markets in the last, if you see in the last 6 to 7 weeks, has been trending down. Low top, low bottom formation on the daily charts. We are still trading below 20 and 40 daily moving average. Definitely there is selling pressure. There are sectors, stocks where we can see sharp sell-offs, especially in the IT sector. However, there are sectors which are doing good as well. Like Pharma, yesterday we saw Lupin Cipla doing great. We've seen L&T doing good. We've seen a little bit of a bounce in Reliance, but still consolidating in the range. It's very specific to Nifty. Nifty has been trading in a range between 24,350 and 20 daily moving average, which is around close to 24,800. And I'm expecting Nifty to be very range bound between these 400 to 500 points range, and we should be more focusing on sector specific and stock specific approach, where the large caps are really doing great, like L&T, Ultratech Cement, and all of these. Bank Nifty, again, same thing. Bank Nifty has been in a range between 54,900 and on the upside 55,670. So this is the range, and I'm expecting this range to break on the upside. But this is just a bounce. We have seen the downtrend in the short term, but the bounce should take it to the 20 daily moving average, which is around 56,000 levels. So yes, bounce is expected. Our focus should be more on stock specific and sector rotation.
That's the take coming in on the benchmark indices. With Somin, one of the other sectors that has been doing really well is the pharma space. And just yesterday, after that run up within the small and the mid end of the pharma space, it was the large caps that were seen to be participating. And today we have the report suggesting that the pharma tariffs could be weeks away, which was earlier anticipated that in this week there could be some tariff implication. So the overhang still persists on the pharma space, but a bit of a breather from that deadline. But what's your take on this space and any of your preferred bets within the pharma space right now?
Absolutely. As I said earlier, there are stocks which are doing really good. Glenmark Pharma, Biocon, all of these stocks have already seen great run-ups. We've seen Davis Lab doing great. We've seen Dr. Reddy doing great. But now I think the stocks like Cipla and Lupin, which were, a little sideways and not doing that great, they have started a great momentum yesterday. So my preferred pick would be Lupin and Cipla, where Cipla has already taken support at 200 daily exponential moving average. You can keep a stop loss around 1510, 1520 levels, and you can expect a very good run up in the short term. I'll be expecting 1610 levels, and above that, I think in the medium term outlook, 1700 levels in Cipla. For Lupin, again, an ending diagonal pattern has broken on the upside on the daily charts, closing about 200 daily moving average. Great setup. The short term targets would be around 2040 and medium-term targets would be around 2150. So these two would be my preferred pick in the pharma space.
So that's the take on pharma. But Somin, you did say that it's time to get a little sector-specific, stock-specific. So on that note, this morning, where are you placing your bets? What's looking attractive given the kind of run-up we've seen yesterday in the market?
See, there are two sectors which I'm really looking at. Pharma is one of them, definitely, but other two are defense, where I'm liking BEL, Mazagon Dock, HAL. So all of these have started, showing that positive momentum. In BEL, I think it is still trading below 20 daily moving average, but I think it has been trading in a range between 375 and 395. So that 20 rupee range, I'm expecting this range to break on the upside. If it goes about 393, 394, I think the next level would be 400 levels. So that's looking great. Mazagon Dock as well is looking at. Let me give you the levels for Mazagon Dock. Mazagon Dock has taken support at 200 daily exponential moving average. We have seen a very good correction. Like the highs were 3700, 3760, and the lows were 2620. So very good correction after a good run up as well. Taking support at 200 daily moving average. I think the stop loss and the risk reward is great. 2624 would be the stop loss, and on the upside 3100 would be my target in the short term.
Somin, I second the thought. Defense and shipbuilding space are already on the focus radar, and in particular in focus because India's defense production is also hitting record highs as we see. On that note, we slip into a short break, but there's